Rob Frazier here. This video, a BLC2. On BLC2, not BBC, BLC, Boost Your Leads and Commissions Plan. This is basically, this video I'm going to be talking about the second phase. In the card that pops up at the top of the video right now, I'll put a link to the first video in case you missed it. I'll also put a link to the first video in the YouTube video description. Now, if you're watching this video, this is video 2. Underneath this video, I'll probably link it to the first page, which is this right here. But this right here is the second phase of this exact plan. In the first video, I talked about, just a quick recap, business marketing system traffic source, boost your leads and commission. We're getting a free leadsleap account. We're getting the cash juice system. And we're joining Infinity Traffic Boost. Once you have accounts for those three programs, those three systems, if you will, and you're inside my Facebook group, this video is an introduction to the second phase of that plan. Now, the second phase of the plan is very simple. We got a rotator going, basically with Infinity Traffic Boost. When you join it for free, and you serve 10 ads every single day, you get a share of Bitcoin. You get paid a little tiny bit of Bitcoin just for surfing 10 ads. You serve 20 ads, you get 2 shares. You serve 30 ads, you get 3 shares. You serve 100 pages, 100 ads, you get 10 shares. And we got a rotator going for everyone who surfs 100 ads every single day. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes. They will get placed on my rotator, in which I will be sending you referrals. So, going back to this plan right here, we're essentially following this plan, and we have a daily method of operation. That daily method of operation, once we get into more training and I drop more videos on YouTube about leadsleap, it's very simple. Every single day you want to serve 10 ads at leadsleap, at least 10. You want to follow the cash juice plan, which is essentially buying a certain amount of clicks from each website in the cash juice plan. There's only 5 of them. They're all free to join. And Infinity Traffic Boost. Now, all of these places, leadsleap, yes, you can promote this whole system within leadsleap, because we're not just promoting leadsleap. There's a few other pieces to go with it. The whole idea is to use traffic from leadsleap, traffic from the cash juice plan, traffic from Infinity Traffic Boost, and send all of that traffic to this capture page right here. That is it. Now, this second phase, I go into a little bit more detail. I talk about how the rotator is set up, how you're going to be basically surfing your ads at Infinity Traffic Boost, in addition to leadsleap, and all of that. What you're going to get from that is more traffic to send to your capture page here. Your capture page is going to promote your leadsleap page. It's going to promote your cash juice affiliate links, and it's going to promote your Infinity Traffic Boost affiliate links. So the whole point, get more traffic. As we start to earn Bitcoin from surfing at Infinity Traffic Boost, there's going to be a very specific plan that we're going to do with that. leadsleap also pays out commissions in Bitcoin as well. So the whole idea is to build up our traffic. We're going to get to around 500 clicks a day, 7 days a week, 24/7, 365. Once we can just average that, then that's when this plan is going to start taking off for you, because it's simply a matter of getting enough people through the system. So, Infinity Traffic Boost, this is where the rubber starts meeting the road here. Where we start to take this plan to the next level is once you start earning Bitcoin on a daily basis, basically money, commissions on a daily basis, we're going to route that Bitcoin into a couple of different places. First off, it's always going to go back into getting more traffic to this capture page. A percentage of our money roughly 30%, is going to always go back into traffic going back to this page right here. Number one, numero uno, that's how you're going to get paid. And if you're following my plan that I laid out here on the BLC, the first phase, the BLC plan, leadsleap, cash juice, infinity traffic boost, it's going to be a very simple process. 30% of our money is always going to go back into buying clicks at the different traffic exchanges laid out in that BLC plan. Go back and watch that video if you need to. The other 30%, so there's 30, 30, 30, and you're going to have 10% left over. 30% always goes back into traffic, always, always, always. 30% goes into your own personal trading account. We're going to learn how to trade Bitcoin. It's a very simple process. On this page right here, you're going to learn to trade Bitcoin for free. You create a free account and you're going to get taught a super simple method of trading Bitcoin. If you don't know how to trade Bitcoin, that's fine. You will learn all about it. You will learn how to buy it, everything through step 2. Step 3 is a passive opportunity that's going to grow your Bitcoin hands off. Remember, whenever money comes in, 30% is always going to go back into traffic. 30% is going to go into our personal trading account. You're going to learn about that here. And 30% is going to go into our passive Bitcoin opportunity. So that way we have money growing for us and we have money working for us. Some of the money is going to go back into traffic. Some of the money is going to go into our personal trading account, and some of the money is going to go into a passive opportunity. The last 10% is you're going to save it to join our high-end, back-end direct sales program. I will cover that in a future video when I create more content for it. But for now, this is it. First phase and second phase is it. I also included a couple of more training videos down here to really kind of lay out the strategy. But again, it's very simple. The first phase is these 3 free systems. The second phase is we're taking it to the next level. We're actually going to start surfing our ads at Infinity Traffic Boost. We're going to start getting traffic for all the ads we surf. All of that traffic goes to that capture page, which promotes this system right here. And it's simply a matter of following that money flow. Whatever money you get, you're going to take 30%. It's always going to go back into more traffic. 30% is going to go into another account somewhere. We'll cover that in the future. Get in a Facebook group. I'll help you. And 30% is going to go into that passive Bitcoin opportunity. The other 10%, put that in your pocket, spend it, whatever. Eventually, you want to join our high-end, back-end direct sales program. And that's really, following a plan like this is how I was able to go full-time and how I was able to change my life around. I feel like I'm dropping a lot of information because it is a lot, but it's very simple. Watch the videos. If you don't understand, get in a Facebook group. I will help you set this thing up and get started. So that being said, Rob Frazier here, wrapping this video up. BLC, the second phase, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's just simply a matter of building a perpetual traffic plan, which is really what this whole thing is. It's just building up lead flow, cash flow, traffic, building an email list. Now, the very last video that the BLC Phase 3, that video I'm going to introduce you to our back-end top-tier direct sales program. That's really the heartbeat. That's essentially what we're promoting, but we're not promoting it. We're promoting this lead generation, cash flow, list building system on the front end. And so that's all we talk about. We only talk about list building, lead generation, cash flow. That attracts people to us who want to do business with us. And then eventually we'll lead them down the rabbit hole and into our primary business, which I'm going to introduce to you in our next video, our next phase. Rob Fraser here. We'll talk to you in the next one.